Your vehicle's software can be updated with over-the-air updates through a secure Wi-Fi connection. Only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks are able to be connected. It is recommended that you have a strong signal strength. Connect your vehicle in a well-ventilated area to prevent exposure to hazardous fumes. To connect to your Wi-Fi network, press Menu, then touch Connections and touch the Wi-Fi tab. Touch your Wi-Fi network name from the listings and enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and touch OK. The connected message will appear under the network name when your vehicle is successfully connected. To manually update your software, push Menu, touch Info, touch System Information, touch Software Update. From this screen, you can touch Update Method to change whether your system automatically notifies you of updates. To initiate updates, touch Start Software Update, then touch Check for Update. The next screen will indicate if the software is currently up to date or if there is an update to download. After the update process is complete, a message will indicate that you need to restart your vehicle to complete the update process. After turning your vehicle off, wait 20 minutes before restarting to reboot the system. To manually update the map software, connect the vehicle to an available Wi-Fi network. Push Menu, touch Info, System Information, Map Update, then Update by Wi-Fi. Select the area to be updated and touch Start Updating. Touch Yes to update the selected area. Touch OK after completing the update. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.